Hey, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars. It's a beautiful day here in Greeley, so we decided to take out our 1929 Model A Roadster. I'm going to show you how to start it. First, we want to set the timing all the way up. We want our fuel lever about a quarter of the way down. We're going to want to pull our choke all the way out. At that point, we are ready to start it. We'll turn the key to the on position. The starter button is on the floor, a little bit above the brake pedal, so we'll pump the gas a few times and we'll go ahead and try. Start advancing our timing slightly, move our fuel up. And these things are pretty cold-blooded, so we generally want to let them warm up for about 5 minutes before we start driving. So on the Model A's, the fuel tank's actually in front of the windshield on the cowl. We do like to fill it up with ethanol-free gas, and it's always a good idea to put lead additive in it as well.